Hey guys, it's Reese, welcome back to the channel. So, unfortunately, the first take of this video had to get deleted because of other background noise or sounds that were not necessary for this video. I'm sorry, I apologize for that. Anyways, back to the video now. So, it's different because well, of about maybe two reasons. One is it's a new team replacing a team that's always been competing in toy car hockey or toy car baseball. And two is one of the cars for this toy car hockey and baseball team is not from the same country, but that is unfortunately due to the fact that I wasn't able to find the other car that would make it all 5 cars from the same country. So, yeah, there's nothing I can really change about that because I actually looked everywhere for that Hot Wheels Kia Stinger GT, the red or blue color version that I had earlier today and couldn't find it anywhere, sadly. So that's why I kind of had to make a slight exception for this team to join, because I've really been wanting this team to play in toy car hockey or baseball for a very long time. So I think that 4/5 of the cars being from the same country for this toy car hockey and baseball team is good enough for them to join. So yeah, the new team joining is South Korea, because as you can tell, 4 of the 5 cars are Hyundai cars, and well, the Hyundai Motor Company is from South Korea. So yeah. Now the only one car that's not from that country is the number 4 Ford GTLM Spec 2 race car, which I know is in quite a lot of Gran Turismo racing games for the PlayStation video game system. So fun fact about that car if you didn't realize it. And also, that car was actually hard to beat in that video game, but anyways, back to the main focus of this video. Oh, sorry, accidentally showed another toy car hockey or baseball team just now. I think it might have been France, but I could be wrong. Anyways, that's pretty much it for this video. Unless you want to see France's new team, because they are actually rejoining toy car hockey and baseball for the next 4 seasons, because Sweden is unable to play due to a unacceptable action they took against their teammates after losing to USA in the toy car baseball finals and World Series last season. So yeah, that action was so unnecessary and not called for, and that's why Sweden is not playing in toy car hockey for 4 seasons, and toy car baseball for 4 seasons as well too. So this is the team replacing them right here. So yeah, well, that's it for this video by one. Thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your week and weekend.